Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Lasco Financial Services Limited has advised that by mutual agreement, Mrs. Jason Hall Tracy, Managing Director of Lasco Financial Services Limited, has resigned. The directors have agreed with her that she will formally relinquish her function on December 31, 2025. Lasco Finance has further advised that Mrs. Hall Tracy will be now jointly responsible for the operation with Mrs. Charlene Williams, who has been appointed the general manager of the company. The Bank of Jamaica is reporting net profit of $20.5 billion for the year to date, January to June 2025. Analysis by RJR News shows that this net profit is based on total assets of $1.2 trillion, up from $1.1 trillion for the similar period last year. The increase was largely driven by a jump in the central bank's foreign assets, which climbed to $945.7 billion as at June 25, up from $820.9 billion a year earlier. But the bank's local assets declined to $241.3 billion in June this year, down from $269.7 billion in June last year. For the trading period ending July 9, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 1,912,778 units traded, representing 22.18% of market sales volume. Investment firm Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 803,640 units traded, representing 9.32% of market sales volume. Caribbean financial conglomerate NCB Financial Group Limited with 758,939 units traded, representing 8.80% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 9, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $59.64 million purchased and US $48.84 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.07 per dollar, selling the US at $161.06 and buying the US at $158.99. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $8.32 per transaction, with selling at $118.96 and buying at $212.71. The British pound yielded Forex traders $11 in profits, with selling at $220.67 and buying at $209.67. For our credit report tip of the day, if you're serious about buying property, start getting your credit score in shape and lining up your funding sources. Before you even apply for a mortgage, take 3 key steps. First, review your credit report for errors. Second, pay down high interest debt to improve your score. And 3, explore personal lines of credit or business credit options. These moves will help you handle essential upfront costs like land surveys, architectural drawings, soil tests, and permits, so that you're financially ready when it's time to build or buy. When you're building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, as a professional woman over the age of 45, rebuilding your finances at that age doesn't have to feel overwhelming. It can be grounding, intentional, and even joyful. Start today with 3 simple steps to make money tracking less stressful and more soulful. First, choose a beautiful, calming space to sit. Add flowers, light a candle, and put on soft music. Then open your money app or spreadsheet and take a deep breath before you begin. As you track your spending, add gratitude beside each expense. Think about what did it bring into your life. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.